What's up, guys? Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road, and in this episode we're going to be doing some road trip prep for Jeep Beach. So oil changes, greasing, nutting and bolting the Jeep, and just kind of getting some good old maintenance done like that. So if you like this kind of video, if you like Jeep content, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so first thing is we're going to be doing an oil change. I don't think I need to show you a how-to with an oil change. If you follow this channel, you're probably pretty handy, you know how to do an oil change. But so that's step one. Always start your long road trips, I think it's 1,000 miles down there, with a fresh oil change. So you don't have to worry about it mid-trip or anything like that. So I won't have to change the oil again until I get back from the trip in about a week and a half, 2 weeks time. So I'm gonna start getting that done. I got some Mobil 1 oil. Basically when I buy oil, I go to AutoZone or Advance, and I see what the deals are, and whatever the deal is, and as long as it's not crap oil, it's full synthetic, I get that, because it usually ends up being like 35 bucks for 5 quarts and a filter, which not a bad deal. So we're gonna get this started. Okay, now with the oil change done, gotta use my favorite tool again, and we're doing a tire rotation. So, enjoy some RC shots. Okay, now we're gonna start dealing with some of like this corrosion here. I hate New England, and then you get rocks in the road and starts chipping paint, and then paint starts rusting, and then honestly, once these get bad enough, they're just gonna get powder coated. I'm gonna find a way to color match it, and it's gonna get powdered, and that's one and done thing. Should have done that the first time, but it was a nice experience to learn how to paint. So yeah, next step, I'm just gonna tape off some of this area. This is just bed liner, so it's just gonna get re-bed lined. Should be easy enough, but that's the next step in this little prep project.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we
Yeah. All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, no pain when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Okay, so everything is now greased up. tires are back on, new lug nuts, oil's been changed. I did some really quick touch-ups on the paint that was done there. And yeah, now my next step is to do an interior detail and then probably wash the Jeep this Saturday coming, and that will be it. So I'm just gonna roll through this because you guys don't need to see it, but I might do like some little before and afters or something like that. But yeah, this is gonna be the fun part. Yay! Okay, guys, it's a couple days later. I finished everything up. I hope you like those little clips of the skateboarding going on. That's kind of a throwback to me in high school, but hope you enjoyed it. So right now, what I'm gonna do as I'm ending this video is I'm just gonna tighten up some stuff back here. Nothing you need to see on camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're leaving for Jeep Beach tonight, so next video is gonna be a vlog. I almost said blog, vlog style video, and I haven't done one in a while, so I guess enjoy it. It's probably gonna be a little shaky, but it's gonna be fun. So take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid.